Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For this video, I'm going to be reacting to this video that popped up on my YouTube page. This is from the People's Court. Phone Fall is the title. Yeah, I haven't seen People's Court in a while, but I do like these court TV shows. It's nice to watch, but I never understood, like, they earn money to be on the show, but if they lose, the show pays for them losing. Like, why be on the show then? Like, I don't understand that. So you lose, but the show pays for, like, the damages instead of you. So technically you're not paying unless it's taken out of the money that you earn for being on the show. I don't know, but I know that's how it works for Judge Judy. But for this show, I guess it's the same. I don't know. But yeah, that's kind of weird. But anyway, this is a national TV show in America. So I'm going to cover the screen to prevent blockation or whatever. I don't know. They probably blocked this video. I don't know. If this video is less than less than 5 minutes, then they probably blocked the video. So I'm going to have to cut out the copyrighted parts that made the video blocked. So you're probably just going to hear my thoughts around the actual video, but not my actual comments. But if they keep the whole video up, then I guess you'll see the whole entirety of my reaction. But yeah, let's get into this, and please subscribe. Let me know what else I should react to in the comments below.
These are the plaintiffs, Tisha and Sade. Tisha says the defendant snatched a brand new iPhone 6 from her 12-year-old daughter's pocket, and it fell to the ground and cracked.
Okay, so iPhone 6. Not sure what year this video is from. Dang, what are they on now? 15? I don't know, so I guess it's like from 9 years ago, something like that.
With the defendants, they refused
10.
to pay for a new phone, and they're suing here and now for every penny of the $629.99 they're owed.
And if I was talking over everything, so the defendant tried to snatch her phone and it fell and broke or something. The new iPhone 6. Dang. You know this video is old when a new phone cost that much. Or maybe it was just the repairs. I don't know.
Laverne says both kids were looking at the phone and holding it, and unfortunately it fell to the ground and cracked. When the plaintiff informed her what happened, she told her it would cost $125 to repair, and she agreed to give her some money for it and handed her $20. The plaintiff didn't like that. Her daughter threatened to beat up Vernay, and they began bullying her at school. Now the woman's suing for almost $700. Preposterous. Simply preposterous.
So the funny thing is, this announcer guy, I feel like they can hear him, because sometimes when he's talking, the whatever side is like laughing and stuff, because the way he's talking, I'm pretty sure they can hear him, and it's kind of awkward. Like, just standing there and hearing all this, it's like
accused of cracking up.
All parties, please raise your right hand. You seated? Come to order, please. Litigants have been sworn, Your Honor.
Thank you, Douglas.
You're welcome.
Tisha and Sade, you've asked us not to use your last names. You're suing Laverne and Vernay. You've also asked us not to use your last name for $629.99 plus tax.
It's crazy that you don't want them to use their last name, but you're literally on national TV. So I don't know. I guess they don't want, like, people to know their personal information, but they know what you look like.
The amount for an iPhone that, according to you, her child broke. All right.
That's correct.
Let me hear from the children, because they're the ones who were there that day. So first, I'd like to hear from you, Sade.
How old are they again? I forgot.
We were in the back in the park, and I had my phone in my back pocket. And
How old are you?
12.
Okay.
That answer my question.
I was talking to my friend. And
Did your phone have a cover on it?
No.
Or was it just?
It was just brand new. And
It was just brand new without a cover protecting it? Mom, did you buy her a cover?
Yes, I did.
Of course you did. And you didn't want to put on the cover because it made an unsightly bulge in your jeans?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. You know how I know that? I got 3 of you at home. That's how I know that. Go ahead.
And I was talking to my friends, and she came and asked me for my phone.
This friend, Renee?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I told her no. Then she just grabbed my phone out of my back pocket.
So your friend just literally went into your jeans where your phone was snugly away and somehow was able to take it out of your jeans?
Yes.
How?
Because it was in my back pocket, and I was talking to my friends, and she...
Why? She's acting. I can't speak. She's asking her how, as if it's not possible to pull someone's phone out of their pocket. Like, isn't that how people lose their phones? Because people steal their phone from their pocket? Like, it's not hard to pull a phone out of someone's pocket. So why is she making it seem like it's impossible? But yeah, that's kind of weird. Like, I guess they're 12, so not everyone has a phone at this age. I don't know. But even if they don't, like, why would you want to grab your friend's phone for what? Like, it's not your phone. So that's weird.
She just took it.
Isn't it snug in there?
Yeah.
Kind of snug? Okay, so how is she able to do that?
Pull it.
What is your story? Your story's
What?
different, right?
Why? It is not hard. Okay, so your pants are tight, your pockets are tight, your phone's in your pocket. Like, if you're not paying attention, someone can still grab your phone. Like, why is she making it sound impossible? I don't understand that. Okay, so you put your phone in your pocket and walk down the street, and let's see if, or like walk in a crowded area, let's see if it's still there at the end. Like, it's not impossible to pull a phone out of a pocket.
What's your story?
We were in the park, and she was talking.
How old are you?
I'm 11, and I didn't ask her to use her phone. It was falling out her pocket, and I went
It was
to go.
falling out of her pocket?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, neither one of you are telling me the truth. All right, so how is it falling out of her pocket?
Because she had a 6S Plus, I guess, and it was really big. So it was like leaning out her pocket, and I was to push
How tight are her jeans?
really tight.
Right, so how is it falling out of her pocket? Her pocket doesn't have the space. She's not wearing baggy pants or the pocket. So you mean it's peeking out from the top, right? Because it's a 6 Plus, it's the bigger one. It's the one I have. So it's peeking out of the top. It doesn't make it all the way into the pocket, right?
Yeah.
Okay, it's not falling out. All right, and then what happens?
Well, it looked like it was falling out, and I went to go push it in so it doesn't fall, and she smacked her phone out the pocket.
How does she, neither one of you, look at me, listen to me.
Okay. Okay, so first of all, like I said, it's not impossible to pull someone's phone out of their pocket, especially if it's the plus size of the phone. If it's hanging out, sticking out of the pocket, it's easier to grab. So, like, it's not impossible. But yeah, why would she smack her phone out of her pocket? Like, was she trying to grab for it? Like, it doesn't make sense.
I know this isn't how it happened, guys. So now somebody start telling me, you know what? I need you two ladies to go ahead and have a seat. The two moms, I need you to go ahead and have a seat. Neither one of you were there. I'll talk to you when I need. Yeah, right there. Go ahead, sit. Make yourselves at home. I need the two of you to get to the defendant and the plaintiff's table.
Who is the other lady?
And now.
Who is this lady? Is she a witness? Because, I don't know, maybe she had nothing better to do. She like, you guys go to court, let me go too.
We're going to try this one more time. All right, and we're going to try to figure out what actually happened out there. And we're not going to
be on
think
TV?
about
Me
what
too.
we were told to say. We're not going to think about how, it's going to hurt our case or help our case. We're just going to tell Judge Milian the truth. Does everybody have it? Everybody got it? That's what we're going to do.
I was talking to my friends, and then, yeah, she came, and she did ask me for my phone. And when she asked me for my phone, I told her no, because, as I said, I got a new phone, and it was a week old only. And she took it. Well, she reached for it, and I told her no, and then she just took it out of my back pocket and it slipped out her hand.
Okay, what do you say happened?
She was talking to her friend. I didn't ask her to use her phone because I had my own at the time. And, like, I was reaching to go get it, and, like...
But why were you reaching to go?
Okay. To me, it seems like her eyes are shifting a lot. So it's like she's trying to process what to say instead of telling the truth.
Yeah.
It was falling.
Go on.
And she like went like that to
But she
hit
went
my
like that
hand.
Dang, watching this making my ear itch.
Yeah,
And you were trying to take it out of her pocket. Why?
because it was falling.
I'm not buying that. I'm just not. Come on, moms. Go ahead and move to the side, ladies. Get your moms in there. She comes home and she tells you what?
Well, when she came home, my neighbor seen the whole incident.
Well, where's your neighbor?
She's not here. She's a
Then what am I? Did she?
No, I
Do you
have
have?
Oh, I thought this lady sitting on the side was the neighbor, but okay.
letter.
Is it an affidavit?
Yeah, it's notary.
Okay, let me see it. Why isn't your neighbor here?
She had to work today. She's a correction officer at Rikers Island, so she couldn't take off.
As I was walking, I noticed the young lady reach and yank something from Sade's rear pants pocket. The item dropped, and both young ladies looked and began yelling at each other. As I got closer, it became apparent it was a cell phone. Sade was crying and yelling, "You broke my phone." The young lady was apologizing and stated, "I didn't mean to drop it. I'm so sorry." Sade, who at this point was hysterically crying because her mother had just purchased a phone and would be upset that it was broken. I attempted to calm her down, escorting her home, and explained what I witnessed to Sade's mom. Okay? So what do? You call the mom?
No. I went to the mom house. I took Sade with me. Sade explained to her, and then I...
Wait, what? She said she went to the... Wait.
Escorting her home and explained what I witnessed to Sade's mom. Okay.
Okay, so her reaction... Oh no. Maybe they're both lying, but her reaction makes it seem like that's not what happened. So, but none of us were there, so I don't know.
So what do? You call the mom?
No. I went to the mom house. I took Sade with me. Sade explained to her, and then I was telling her that the phone, I just purchased this phone and it's cracked, and I even showed her everything on what the screen looked like. So...
Do you have a picture? Do you have the phone?
Yes, I have the phone.
Let me see it. Has it become more cracked in the interim?
Yes, as the days, and I explained that to her also.
So this is several months ago, 3 or 4 months ago.
Yes,
Oop,
And
one
so
camera.
the cracks have continued to go down,
that's correct.
and now the phone doesn't even turn on.
That's correct.
So what did? Go on.
So when we was explaining everything to her, she said, "Okay, as a parent, what would you like me to do?"
Wait, but don't phones have like a warranty or something? Did they not have warranties back then? Like if you, like after a week, this happened. Like after getting the phone, it's been a week and then it broke or cracked or whatever. Like, isn't there like a warranty or something? Like you take it back and be like, this happened, so do we get a new phone? Like, I don't know, but don't most Apple products have a warranty or something? I'm confused.
So I said, "I need you to pay for her phone." So she said to me, "Just find out how much it costs, and I will pay for it." So I went on Steinway Street and got a quote from off the side street, just to be out of consideration, because I
Meaning
know...
what? Like for the repair of the glass?
Right. So I gave her a week.
Wait, how much was the repair of the glass?
To repair the glass, he told me $125.
And what happened?
So I text her back, and I said to her that, how much it would cost, where I went, and everything. So she told me
Also, why is
$20.
why does she keep making smiling faces? I don't know, but yeah, sometimes I daydream a lot, so I'm like thinking of some random thing. So sometimes I'm like smiling for no reason because I'm just thinking of dumb stuff or whatever. That could be what she's doing, or not. I don't know, but I feel like it's not the right place or time to be smiling
Okay.
at random
I
stuff
told her,
that
"I
you're
don't
thinking
know where
about.
you can get an iPhone 6 plus for
But what do you mean?
$20.
What did you mean by texting back that you had $20?
Okay, first off, I told her, being that my daughter was involved in the incident, that I would put money towards it. I wasn't going to pay it completely
Why
because I
not?
didn't feel that my child was at fault. I felt like it was an accident that occurred between two little girls based upon a story I was told.
What was the story you were told by your daughter?
They basically, she was trying to touch the little girl phone, and the little girl hit her hand and it fell.
Well, but
So-
what is your daughter doing trying to grab a phone that is snugly tucked in someone else's jeans? Let me just ask you a question. If you wanted to see her phone, would you reach into her pocket to get her phone? No, right? Because that's not appropriate. It's not appropriate. So
I agree.
what part of that makes your daughter only $20 at fault? See, now she's suing for $629. You know, it was 100 and something then. I think you should have taken what was behind door number
That's
1.
right.
Your Honor, you didn't let me finish.
I didn't let you finish because I didn't like what I heard at the beginning.
Welcome back to the People's Court, Harvey. 11 here. Would you, or could you sue an 11-year-old girl? Are you allowed to?
No.
What do you say?
You can sue the parent.
A little young, but
What if they break your property?
break my
Sue the
property,
parent.
well,
They're
I'd see who's
responsible for the kids.
responsible for her, first of all, right?
Okay. Can you sue an 11-year-old girl?
You can sue our parents.
Can you sue her?
No.
I think so. What do you say?
No, I don't think so.
Really?
But we do things differently in New Zealand.
Guess what? We do things differently in the United States, too. 'Cause
She
you
just
got-
want to be on TV. That's why she's looking at the camera.
Okay, so when she texted me the amount that it was to repair the phone, I told her, I said, at the time I have $20. I'll give you something else towards it at a later time. She said, no, give it to me all at once. That was the last time.
Can
we
I
heard
see those
text
texts?
about
Let's
that.
see how it reads. Yeah.
I need my phone.
Now you end up, it turns out that you have insurance on the phone, correct?
Yes.
And did you ever, now, are you without a phone now?
She's without a phone.
Okay.
She's using my phone.
She's using
My
an
phone
old
when
one
she-
of your phones or?
No, she's using my phone when she
So
goes to
you're
school.
without a phone?
I'm without a phone. 'cause
Who's she
I'm
gonna
at
call?
work.
She got the phone. Who's she gonna call? What's the point?
No, but she has
First of
my-
all, she doesn't need to call anybody while she's at school, you know?
Right, but when she get out, because she go to school
Yeah,
far
yeah,
away.
no, I know. That's how my daughters got me, and that's how I ended up giving them phones at 12.
This is where it started from. She's sending threats and everything.
Hold on,
Donna.
I can only give you 20 at this time. She does say at this time.
Thank you.
And then she says, and then you say, so you let me know where I can get an iPhone.
Dang, not them looking at each other. The way they look. The way they looked at each other. At least the way she looked at her, like, I know you did not just not at
So I
me.
ended up giving them phones at 12.
This is where it started from. She's sending threats and everything.
Hold on.
Yeah, but
I mean,
I don't know why she keeps smiling. Either her daydreaming is really good, or she just doesn't care or understand the location where she's at. I don't know.
only give you 20 at this time. She does say at this time.
Thank you.
And then she says, and then
I
you
know
say,
you did
so
not.
you let me know where I can get an iPhone fixed for $20. She says, I'll look into it. Please do let me know. Okay, so 4 days pass and she doesn't let you know.
Right.
And then you say, hi, did you find a place? And then she doesn't answer you. And then the next day you say, okay, I see how this is going to work out.
Yep.
And then she answers,
She does it back to her.
if
Dang.
anybody touched my child over this matter, you're going to wish you was an adult about the situation.
Which was a threat. And no one's thinking about children at this time. See where the mind frame is at.
Yeah, honestly. Honestly,
Very
ladies.
childish.
All right, so now, why didn't you get you didn't have the 125 to get the phone fixed?
No, at that time, because I was looking for I have a 2-year-old at home. So with daycare and all of that, I have to process all of that, save.
Okay, so what happened?
With the phone?
Yeah, you never got it fixed?
No, I didn't.
Why are you suing now for the 620?
Wait. Just a side note. She has a 2-year-old. Where's the dad? Does he have money?
29.
Because when I tried to do for my insurance, they told me they was going to send me a refurbished phone. Now, the refurbished phone is always messing up. You got to keep sending it back and everything.
Yeah.
So when I went to Apple told me they can't fix the phone. They got to replace the phone. And I have my bill from Apple to show you.
So to replace it with a new phone would
Right.
cost how much?
$329 plus
So
tax.
why aren't you suing for that? Why are you suing for the 629? Because you're angry?
Okay, what is...
No,
Aren't you suing for that? Why are you
Who
suing
is
for
he
the
talking to?
629? 'Cause you're
329.
Who's he
So why
conversing
are you
with?
suing for that? Why are you suing for the 629? Because you're angry?
What?
No, it's not 'cause
Maybe
I'm
that's why the little girl's laughing. He's telling all these jokes. I don't know who he's talking to.
angry.
Okay, I need to stop talking.
No,
I didn't hear what she said.
Suing for that.
Let me
Why
pay
are you suing
attention.
for the 629? Because you're angry?
No, it's not because I'm angry, Your Honor. It's because at the time, I didn't know if Apple was going to fix it or not. And me paying on the bills, and she don't have a phone, I'm still paying on the bill.
No, I know. And how much are you paying on the bill each of these months?
For her line?
For her line.
Where's your paperwork?
Bill?
Yes.
See, I watched too much Judge Judy to be like, where's the paperwork? Where's the receipt?
Bill?
Yes.
And also, I feel like people wear their glasses like this when they're reading, but she ain't reading unless she's in the back reading something.
So it's about $50 a month. So,
What are they laughing about?
so it's about $50 a month.
Wait, what did they say?
So it's about $50 a month.
She said 11, but I don't know what she said before. One more time.
So it's about $50 a month.
Oh, I think she said, why you keep smiling or laughing? I think that's what she said. Why you keep smiling or laughing?
So it's about $50 a month.
Or you need to stop smiling or laughing. I forgot. I don't know. Not forgot. I just don't know.
Will Apple charge you for a new phone?
$329 plus tax. You need to see it?
Yeah.
Okay.
They tell you what the tax is?
No, they didn't, but it's New York.
All right. Based on
Wait, this guy in the back.
And but it's New York.
And he stopped talking to himself, so now he's bored.
All right. Based on what I have heard, I am going to rule in the favor of the plaintiffs. Now, here's the tricky part. It's not tricky, but I just want to explain the law to you.
Okay.
Under New York law, a parent is responsible for a child under some very limited circumstances. This is not one of them. She's not supervising her child at that time. She's not letting a 7-year-old run free. She's not employing her child and giving a dangerous instrumentality. It's not. So really, the judgment is going to be against the child. And the judgment, when you have a judgment against a minor, it's good for 10 years, and then you can renew it for another 10 years. She's going to be paying this. So I suggest that she figure out some odd jobs to be able to pay this. But the amount she's going to pay is the amount that it costs, because I agree with you. Why should you have a brand new 6 Plus, and then because of this occurring, you end up having to accept the refurbished phone? You know,
Right.
that shouldn't be shoved down your throat.
Right.
So if you can solve it for $329, and you pay about $50 a month that you haven't gotten the use for, you're out that too. So I'm ruling in your favor in the amount of $529.99 plus the tax on the $329.99 that we'll figure out later. That's
Okay.
my verdict. Good luck, folks.
Thank you, Lana.
Okay. Plus
So in a
tax.
very interesting lawsuit. The plaintiff prevails, $529 plus tax. We'll figure what that is. But technically, as the judge
That
pointed
she's still
out,
smiling.
the judgment is against your daughter.
It is.
So you're going to have to get a job or do something to make some money. $529. So how are you going to work this out? What do you think?
We'll figure out a way.
You will? Okay. You have jobs she can do and get paid for?
Yeah, she has some chores.
Okay, good enough. All right. You okay with this?
Yes, I am.
You understand the judge's decision?
Yes, I do.
Oh, very good. Well, then thank you very much. Okay. Thank you.
I don't remember who was
Here
there
comes the
before.
plaintiff with
I
her
don't think it was
daughter.
him.
You okay with this outcome now? You're fine?
I'm perfectly fine. Yes, I am.
All right. Well,
Yes.
it's a shame this had to happen, but you did the right thing.
That's right.
Okay. Congratulations.
She
Good
know
for
not to touch no one's stuff next time.
You're right.
Thank
You're
you.
Okay.
Did
thank
she?
you. All right. Harvey?
Okay, Doug, you know, parental liability varies from state to state. There are some states that only make parents liable if there's proof of malice. In other states, it's simple negligence.
Okay, so that is the end of this. I don't even know what to call it. I would say episode, but like one episode of the show is like multiple segments. I guess case that's the end of this case. But yeah, I feel like maybe the girls were messing around and the phone broke, but they didn't want to say that, so they both came up with their own stories. I don't know, but yeah, I don't know why she kept smiling and laughing, but I know her mom called her out about it. I don't know. I wonder if on the actual TV show, like the actual TV captions, if they picked up what she said. I don't know, but yeah, that is the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Let me know what else I should react to in the comments below. And if you want to see my experiences in Korea, you can check out my first channel, SEKSHI. And if you want to see my other socials, it's right here under my face. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.